What's up, guys? It's Vincent or Rocky, and I want to do a Rocky recap on ticker symbol DECK, DECK. This is also the stock or the company that owns Hoka's. I'm a huge fan, by the way, but I want to go into a recap of why I got long on this through earnings. I decided to sell options through the ER. They absolutely crushed the stock route 11%, and I collected a 100% return, pretty stress free. But the thesis from this trade idea actually came from Nike. If we go look at Nike, guys, the stock has gotten really beaten down, especially from the China tariff news and that there was not going to be an agreement between the US and China. You saw this drop off here from early April from about mid 60s all the way to the low 50s. It's about a 20% drop. And we see a bunch of consolidation for months. And finally, the news starts to go away. China and the US come to an agreement. Nike has a good ER. You put two and two together, and now Nike is recovering those losses that it had sold off from. If we look at DEC, stock has also gotten killed. I mean, this stock was $200 plus at the beginning of the year. Yeah, $200 plus at the beginning of the year, so 50% haircut from the beginning of the year highs. And we got down to about that $100 psych level. You guys know I like psych levels. If we zoom out even further, I think a year ago, this stock was mid 150, so it's gotten pretty beaten down. In my opinion, I saw like a triple bottom looking pattern on the daily chart. It's looking like every single time we got to this, 95 to 98 level, we see a bounce $30 here. Saw a sell off, bounce $10, sold back off, rally again. And I thought to myself, okay, if Nike just crushed its ER, you have all these retails like KSS, ANF, Macy's. I mean, all these retail stocks just going nuclear recently. I'm thinking to myself, it probably makes sense. And Hoka's actually, or DEC, they ended up smashing earnings as my thesis projected. They beat on EPS and revenue. The stock rallied 11%. And I got here we go, sold some put spreads. I got a 100% return, pretty stress free. And that's why I like selling options during ER. The risk to reward is fixed. You kind of know what you're going to get. But because the premiums are spiked because of earnings, you can actually sell and get a nice premium on that, which I did in this trade example. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recap. If you did, drop me a like, drop me a follow. And I'm also looking at Lulu to do something similar. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.